16 de junio de 2022, los equipos policiales actuaron tras recibir una denuncia de un ciudadano. En la denuncia se informó que había 2 personas comportándose de manera sospechosa dentro de un vehículo, con olor a sustancias ilegales, y que uno de los individuos tenía antecedentes penales por varios delitos, incluido el robo. Tras recibir la alerta, los equipos se desplazaron inmediatamente al lugar de los hechos.
I just picked it up. I'm doing work for him. I understand.
All right, see driver's license, please. Proof of insurance.
With me. Listen, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't have one. I'm working to get it back. I'm a single father. I'm doing what I can.
All right, you have any ID whatsoever?
Just credit cards with my name on them, and I got an unpaid that's gonna show up in the warrant, man.
You have some ID on you, ma'am?
Yeah, she does.
Can I see some ID, please?
I don't have it. I do not have a card.
So neither of you are carrying any ID on you?
I got my credit cards with my name on them. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Well, I could have credit cards with somebody's name on them too.
Right. I got social security cards here.
So let me see what you got there as far as ID.
I got my gas fuel cards, social security card, my direct express card. I mean, like I said, if you run me, it's gonna come back to a warrant, man.
And you're David?
Yes, sir. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. If you just give me a break.
Well, we'll discuss that in a moment. All right, you can have this back.
Okay.
And miss, you have no ID on you?
I'm gonna look. Are you gonna run him?
Well, what's your social security number?
I don't know by heart. I had a stroke. I had a stroke about a year ago.
I'm gonna give you one chance. I'm gonna give you one chance. All right, don't lie to me about who you are.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
This is your only chance to be truthful. You got it? What's your name?
Holly.
Holly what? Holly what? I'll be right with you. Hold on, please. He's wanted out of the sheriff's office. He's got all kind of warrants. He's got to have like 4 of them. Sheriff's office, Twinsburg, Parma, Morgan County, SR. Call Rocky River Home Depot.
Calling the Home Depot. This call may be recorded. Tell me how I can help.
Customer service. Customer service. Customer service. Customer service.
To connect you to the right person, briefly describe what you're calling about.
Manager. Store manager.
I'll connect you with someone who can help.
I hate these voice prompts. Hi, this is the Rocky River. Hi, it's the Rocky River Police Department.
Yes?
We're out with somebody. Did you guys just have somebody walk out the doors with a pressure washer?
Oh.
We just stopped the car like 5 minutes ago, and they got a brand new pressure washer, and I don't believe he has a receipt. He would have just left your store within the last 10 minutes.
Okay, let me check with another register. Hold on 1 second.
Did you see him come out? Yeah, I saw him come out carrying that. I was sitting over by the garden center watching him.
No one saw anything, so he might have been very sneaky. It could have happened that he walked by, yeah.
All right, thanks.
Hey, get over here. Where are you gonna go? Where do you think you're gonna go? You better get on the ground right now. Get on the ground.
23 to radio. Give me another car. I got this female fighting with 9.
Get up, I can't breathe. Get up, I can't breathe.
Lay down. Lay down.
I can't breathe.
Don't move.
Get your hand behind your back right now.
Stop, please.
Get your hand behind your back right now. Lay down.
Please stop, please stop.
23, we're at Aldi's. Hands behind your back.
Please stop. Even store's going a second. Stop.
You just picked up a felony.
Please stop, stop, stop.
La mujer sospechosa, presa del pánico, empezó a huir de repente. Intentó meterse en el coche de un desconocido y, para colmo, le dio un garrotazo a un policía, según las leyes gringas. Eso es un delito gravísimo.
Put your hand behind your back right now. Hand behind your back right now.
Stop. Okay. Sir, stop. Sir. I gotta go to hospital.
Flip over behind your back.
No, I have to hospital. Ma'am, call 911, please. Please.
Go ahead, come. Do not resist. Do not resist.
Someone's coming out a second. Someone's coming out a second. Sir, no. Let me out. Let me out, please. Oh, please. Please.
You got her?
Yeah. You're not bleeding, am I? You whacked me in the temple with that thing.
No. Stand up. You You got it? We're not going to play games. Let's go.
Las técnicas de control y neutralización enseñadas en las academias de policía pueden parecer duras desde fuera, pero se aplican bajo formación oficial. Hay una diferencia clave entre intervención enérgica y brutalidad policial.
You just picked up a felony. Assault on a police officer. Get in the car. Sit in the car.
Got her in the car. Okay. All right.
Were you in this car, ma'am? Are you okay? Did she say anything to you, or? Okay. All right, don't go anywhere till I can ID you, okay? Thanks.
Dad,
You all right?
that lady in that Mercedes, you want to get a statement from her? Yeah. She should. This girl tried to jump in her passenger seat. No, it was straightforward. She just jumped out of the car, took off with a jack handle in her hand, and turned around, swung at me, clipped me in the side of the head, and tried to get in that car, and that's about it.
All right, we got to get him out of the car. He's got warrants as well, and we'll go from there.
You send fire up here to all.
All right, now I'm sure you're aware of your warrants, right?
Yeah.
All right, step on out.
So what do
Set everything up here.
What do I have for warrants?
Okay. All right, you got a bunch of them. All right, I'm sure you're aware. Leave everything up on the hood.
All right, Nick.
All right, everything up there. All right. Good.
So what is all my warrants for?
All right, you have too many to list.
No, ain't no way.
Oh, you've got at least 4 of them.
It's got to be Dave Jr. Ain't no way I got 4.
Your picture. Unless you give me bad info on who you are.
No, sir. Would never do that.
Anything on you?
No, sir. No, sir.
Anything I'm going to get stuck with?
Nope.
Any weapons in the car?
Nope. I don't play like that.
No weapons, all right? Anything in the car you're not supposed to have? Drugs, needles?
No, hell no.
All right?
Hell no.
Oh, well, I can tell she's on something, all right?
All right.
I don't want to, listen, you're with her, all right? So you know what she's doing. I don't want one of these guys to get poked when we start looking in the car.
Oh, no, you ain't got to worry about that.
You got it?
That's a fact.
I mean, once we heard they were.
Could you grab my phone and stuff?
We'll get it in a minute.
All right. So what's my warrant? I don't know.
You got numerous warrants.
What do you mean by numerous, though? There's only 2 that I know.
Have a seat.
What happened?
I stopped the car. They were at Home Depot. I saw this guy walk out with a pressure washer in the back of the car. Expired plates, warrants on the owner. Stop it. Right away, they both, she was real shy about giving me info. He gave me his. So as I'm running it, Greg's watching him. At the last second, just as I'm calling it in, she hops out of the car, takes off. He goes to grab her, carrying the jack handle. Turns around, whacks him in the head with the jack.
Huh?
She's in my car?
She's in my car. He's in your car.
Oh.
I'm getting his stuff.
How do you want to proceed with that?
I don't know. It's felony, so I don't know if it really matters that much. But she definitely turned around and whacked him in the head with that. So. I didn't even get to run through everything because she took off and started this whole thing. So, and obviously I want to find out what's going on with the pressure washer. He has no receipt, but I called Home Depot. That's who I was on the phone with. I was trying to talk to you because they wouldn't answer. And they said they didn't see anything. So we'll go from there. So where's your receipt for that power washer?
It should be on the front seat.
On the front seat.
Yep.
Stopped the car.
Who did?
I did. Expired plates. Shows warrants. They were Home Depot. I think he stole that pressure washer that's in there. As we're IDing them, she hops out of the car, takes off, tries to get in that Mercedes over there.
Driver?
The passenger. She takes off, tries to get in that car. She's carrying a jack handle. As Greg goes to grab her, she turns around and whacks Greg in the head with the jack handle.
Where's Greg?
He's over here somewhere.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's fine. She just grazed him. But she had a weapon in her hand and swung at him.
Oh, yeah.
We had a fight with her outside of the car. She's got a little bit of road rash. Hey, I got a quick question. Come here. They can deal with that. So our question is since the assault took place in Fairview, you want Fairview to handle the felony assault.
Yep.
He's fine, but he did get whacked in the head. So.
What about her?
She's got some road rash from rolling around. She was fighting with us, resisting arrest. So that's where we're at.
Stopped it. Greg was right with you.
Yeah.
Behind you.
Yeah. And then as we're IDing him, she hops out of the car and takes off. And then tries hopping into that lady's car.
Like somebody was in the car?
Yeah.
To to steal it?
I don't know what she was trying to do.
In the driver's seat or passenger?
She tried to get in the passenger seat, and the lady was in the driver's seat. So she tried jumping in that car. So
crazy.
Come on. Get your feet underneath you. Don't fall. Don't play that game. Get your feet under you. Walk with me. Don't start throwing yourself on the ground.
Straight your legs.
And you're the owner of the car, and she jumped in the car?
Yeah, she opened the front passenger side door and tried to get in, and the two policemen apprehended her and pulled her out before.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Well, you got, your key there. I thought it was a mace for a minute. I'm like, whoa, you're ready to go.
No.
All right.
Anything else you need?
No, that's it. We'll contact you if we need any further information. We appreciate it. You're okay?
Yep.
You're not harmed or you don't need an ambulance or anything? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
All right.
Yep.
Sure it was a surprise to you as it was to us.
I was like, holy cow.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I had just turned the car on to leave.
Right.
So, but,
yeah. Okay.
All right.
If you need anything, call us, okay?
Right, thank you.
At least she didn't break my glasses. I would have been pissed.
You got a camera? Someone grab a camera. We got paraphernalia. We got felony drugs.
Are the drugs in there?
Yeah. I've got,
I'll go see if I have some bags.
I got felony drugs here. I'm sure that's something. I don't want this blown away. I'll just take this whole thing back. I'm going to set it here.
Did Home Depot confirm, or?
What do you think? They're clueless.
I mean, it would be easy to confirm whether you had a purchase of that in the last 5 minutes.
Yeah, he claims the receipt was in here. Yeah, I got all kind of needles in here.
All right, I've got plastic bags in the Sharps container if you need one.
Is she getting transported?
Yeah, I'll need a Sharps container.
Here, you want this now or later?
I'm going to grab everything in a minute. Let me just see what's here first.
Is this her staying here with the car, or is that going to?
Gonna scratch these guys some sights and stuff?
Yeah, eventually I can't do everything.
Probably follow. Did she attempt to steal that?
All I know is she ran up to the door holding that pipe and tried climbing in the car. And then at that point, Greg grabbed her, and after you told her, come back here, she turned around, swung at him, hit him in the head with it. And at that time, the fight was on. So go over to Home Depot and see if they can find anything regarding this guy buying this power washer.
Okay.
We're going to tow this back. We'll hold on to it.
Receipt?
He doesn't have a receipt. I can't find it anywhere in there. I called them, but trying to talk to them on the phone is clueless because they're just... Where'd the receipt go between Home Depot and here? I looked. I couldn't find it. Well, we'll be able to find you at the register on their videotape, so we'll go from there.
Start at like 3:45. I'll meet you at the station around unless you need anything.
Yeah, that's fine. We can go from there. As soon as Cuffner gets here.
David fue imputado por posesión de estupefacientes y su caso fue archivado por decisión judicial. Probablemente fue derivado a un programa de rehabilitación. En cambio, el caso de Holly es más grave. Enfrenta cargos por agresión a un agente policial, resistencia a la detención y posesión de parafernalia relacionada con drogas. Puesta en libertad bajo una fianza de $400,000. Holly ahora enfrenta una posible condena de hasta 5 años de prisión.